Hi, I'm from AVA, Merchandising Solutions Private Limited. We provide solutions for merchandising to enhance revenue for airlines. What we do is we bundle products with the catering services on board. We also add value for their food services. Primarily, we take care of low-cost carrier ancillary revenue because ancillary revenue is very important in today's time. So we do a lot of bundling with merchandising. We guarantee 20% jump post we come on board, and we are doing fairly good job in India. We handle one of the most biggest airline in the country, which is Air India, and that is the national carrier of our country. And also we take care of Jet Airways, which is very big private airline in our country. Altogether, we manage 650 flights operations every day, and merchandising portfolio is very, very big with us. So, overall, we are doing a good job, and the idea is to get innovation in merchandising. I see, if you look at European market and European trend, particularly duty-free. Duty-free is coming down, onboard sales are coming down, but whereas AVA sales are going up. What we do is we bring the brands and the products which are not easily available in the market. So we try to introduce more of our impulsive products on board and to create some noise. And the reason I'm here in London exhibiting with World Low Cost Carrier is we are very happy to see a lot of airline CEOs and CFOs or ancillary managers under one roof. And I think it's a great platform to come here and to launch your product for international market. And we are fairly getting good response here in this exhibition. I think there's a big appetite for ancillary revenue, and if you have a good product for this market, it definitely will make good noise. And so far we're getting good response from our customers. Currently we are covering 50% of Indian market in terms of aviation. As I told you, we manage 650 flights every day, and we manage altogether about 40 million airline travelers in our country. So, we thought of coming to international and going beyond India and trying to explore and take our brand from India to international and make it global. As I mentioned, this is a beautiful platform to come here, display your product. I'm here with my team from India. And we're getting good response here, and a lot of my expats, they told me about this exhibition. I didn't know about it before, and so we're getting good response, and we intend to come here next year as well. There is a huge potential in onboard merchandising. The idea is to get products and the brands which are more impulsive, which are not easily available in the open market. If you look at duty-free or if you look at onboard sales currently, either in Europe or in Western world, more or less they are selling almost the same merchandise, which are perfume, tobacco and liquors. Whereas what we bring is, this is just a 10% of our makeup of our merchandising portfolio. We bring a lot of impulsive brands, impulsive products, from fire pit to mosquito patch to electric blankets to hammocks and picnic sets. So a lot of crazy stuff, I would say, we bring on board and add value.